Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol DUST. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link, so if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Well, I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very, very impressive movement today to think that this thing started off all the way down there, but then throughout the course of the day just bounced all the way back up to that point. Any rational person would say, yeah, that was definitely a very nice move, but that does lead to the valid question now going into next week. But is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but by using charts, we can make mapping out that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area, and that area is down here at $5.50. Why is $5.50 an important level? Well, hopefully we can agree on the logic that price movements with genuine power, with true strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. So with that in mind, think about $5.50. If the price were to come down to $5.50 and then just continue on down, what would that be doing to the price at that point? Well, from a very literal perspective, that would be putting the price quite literally right back into that range of the chart where it was when it was flirting with those lows. And again, going back, not exactly a sign of true strength. Whereas on the flip side of things, maybe the price comes down here, but the difference being the price behaves in that manner and then starts to work its way back upwards. What would you have in this situation all of a sudden? Well, you'd have a set of lows right there. You'd have these lows down there. If you envision each of those as stair steps, well, hey, there you go. Now you have stair steps making progress in the upwards direction. And that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And once again, progress in this situation being defined right there is 550. What about areas of resistance moving forward? For this, going to squeeze down the chart here a little bit to offer up a little bit more context. But the main level right now to keep an eye on, it's going to be right up there at the $5.80 mark, which was also a former area of support back here. So that's just a classic example when supports are broken, which it was right there. They tend to act as resistance, which is happening right now. So not saying that level can't be broken, just saying it makes sense why the price is currently struggling right around that area. But overall, very nice bounce today. Let's see if the price can build upon this momentum or not next week.
First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.